Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free video of the Thruster website. I love the colors. And my first impression that this is a tools website because I'm not familiar with the massage gun, but as I scroll down, obviously I could see the fitness products or the fitness related images. So this is good. I would put maybe the other picture, like this picture is the first one because it indicates you are in this fitness niche. This fitness gun looks a little bit misleading for me. It looks like a drill or some kind of other tool, so it could be a little bit confusing for some customers. Uh, Confusion can lead to lost sales, so make sure to be as straightforward and as bold as possible. I love that you've got COVID-19 updates. Obviously, you're up to date and gives your customers feeling that you're obviously, this website is maintained and they feel confident shopping from you because they know that you're still shipping and so on. This is good. So this is linked to the product. I would add call to actions such as shop now or click here or get it now and so on because it will prompt people to actually click the image and shop it. Is the same with this one. Not only tell about the product, but also link, but also ask people to click the image and shop it. Instead of featured blog post, I would add featured products or featured collection. This is much more likely to convert people to buy. And you can feature blog post below on the homepage because if they see blog post, it can indicate you're focused mainly on articles and maybe on health resources instead of on selling. So showing the products first above the blog post will help you convert much faster. Okay. So you've got collection. I would put featured collection, featured products, and then other content like blog posts below that. The footer is a little bit difficult to read because you've got quite light color of the footer background and then white, very small, tiny font. So it can be a little bit difficult to read, especially for someone who's visually impaired. This can actually affect your SEO because user experience is very important for SEO. If some of the parts of the website is inaccessible, it means that Google might actually knock down a few points from your Google rank. So make sure to make either the footer color a little bit darker so the white font stands out much more, or make the font black. So don't go too fancy with the font colors or too gimmicky with this kind of things on commercial website where you sell, because otherwise it can work against your SEO and against your sales as well. Percussion tools, I'm not sure how SEO friendly it is. When I search for percussion tools, it shows me all various products from woodwork tools. So this is really not the best choice of the keyword. What I would do more detailed keyword research and see what kind of keywords actually people are using, because you might find that people are using for massage gun or massager gun or percussion massage gun, something like that. So make sure to find out what people actually are searching for, because otherwise you might be trying to rank in the search result that is not really relevant to your niche, which you will struggle because Google will be showing other website, other content from other niches in this particular result. Also make sure to optimize your product titles better. For example, Phoenix A2 doesn't really tell Google or even search results or the search bots what this product is all about. So in order to rank better, I know this is the name of the brand or the name of the product, but Phoenix can mean so many different things. So adding more specifics such as Phoenix A2 massage gun or percussion gun or something like that is much more likely to show you in the most relevant search results and therefore send the traffic that converts much more likely. About us page or who we are. This is a great way to really build rapport and trust with your visitors. So make sure to tell about yourself, about your team, how long you've been in business, what inspired you to start this business, what kind of experience you've got in this fitness niche, because people like to buy from people they trust and they know. So building this kind of report is really important for conversion rate. Also, adding more content, it is much more beneficial for your SEO. So having page that is 500 words long, it will much more likely to help you rank higher in Google, because having this kind of very generic info won't help your conversion and SEO. So make sure to keep adding more content and building and adding longer pages with more personal content, especially on About Us page. Contact Us page looks great, so this is fantastic. I would add a little bit more info as to your shipping policy, returns policy, whether you ship worldwide, how much is your shipping. When I clicked on shipping policy, it takes me to the privacy policy that is called shipping policy, which doesn't really mention your shipping policy. It's just a privacy policy. So make sure to have separate shipping policy linked to it from the header menu and mention whether you ship worldwide or just within your country. Mention how long is the shipping, as well as have separate returns policy that you link to from your, okay, there we go, refund policy. So this is still privacy policy that is called, no, this is, okay, so this is refund policy. It feels a little bit confusing because it just feels very formal. What you should be doing, you should be starting with how long is your policy. You can definitely take this out because this is not necessary. Make sure to have your refund policy unique, because duplicate content, if you've got default Shopify policy, it means that you've got duplicate content as hundreds and thousands of other websites, which can actually work against your SEO. So having unique policy can also help you protect business and help you avoid any duplicate content issues. Make sure to specify how to contact you, how to return the item, what's your return address, and so on, because this is all important for your shoppers. The most important things you've got, you are very hidden, which I don't see the sense of hiding those policies if they are very important for your shoppers. They will help you convert. So make sure these are displayed in the footer menu, in the main footer menu, not in this hidden element, because it just works against your conversion rate. And have unique shipping policy, have unique returns policy as well. Your SEO score is 54 out of 100. You've got, I would work on adding, making the most of the character allowance of the meta title and meta description, because this is part of Google snippet, which is displayed in Google search results. So you don't need to include weekly blog. You can put Thrusteril of massage guns or percussion tools and so on. So make sure to use it with to tell about what you're selling, add call to action such as shop now, and use keywords for that as well. So this is much more likely to help you stand out in search results and get more clicks from Google, which means more traffic, more organic traffic as well. Your content analysis is actually quite good, so percussion rollers and so on, which is really fantastic. When it comes to other SEO elements, so keyword consistency, amount of content as I mentioned, keep adding more content to About Us page on obviously regular blog posts. Image alt tags, make sure to add image alt attributes to, well, alt tags to every image you add as well. This is very important. Some of your URLs are not very SEO friendly, so make sure that URLs are shorter and more descriptive. It helps Google to rank them and to show them higher in the search results. I hope you found this review useful, and if you'd like to learn how to implement any of the changes mentioned in the critique, please click the link to book a free chat, and I'll be happy to go through any of the elements mentioned and show you how to implement them on your website through the screen share. And if you liked the tips, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.